So this is Tehessa Bujuna and welcome to my channel. This is aligning your energies in your body for manifestation, for powerful manifestation series. If you have missed the first one, I'll put a link up here somewhere so that you can access it. So basically in this video series, what I'm sharing is my own experience tapping into my energy to powerfully utilize the law of attraction to my advantage. In the first video, I talked a lot about magnetic energies and the role that they play in your focus, in your ability to take a powerful action, and also in your ability to attract all the things that you are desiring to attract in your life. Now, in this second video, I'm going to share about emotional power. I'm going to share with you why managing your emotions well plays such a vital role in your ability to manifest powerfully in your life, and also what kind of energies in your body are related to that. Stay tuned. Here we are again. So just to do a little bit of recap from the first video, if you haven't seen it, I'll put a link somewhere around here so that you can go back and watch it later. Or as a matter of fact, if you haven't seen it yet, it's probably preferable that you go watch that one first and then come back watch this one. So in the first video, I mentioned how for us to be really able to fully utilize the law of attraction to our advantage, our physical actions, emotional actions, mental actions, and energies actions must align together. So in the first video, we talked about the physical action, the magnetic energies. And in this second video, I'm going to share a lot about emotional energies, emotional action. So if you are familiar about the law of attraction at all, one of the things that it states is that quite often our emotions are indicating the direction in which we are going when it comes to one particular subject in our lives or in our creations. What does that mean? That means that if I'm having a negative emotion around a certain particular topic, that means that around that topic, I am very likely creating the exact opposite of what I would like to be creating in that particular area. What does it also mean? It means that some way, somehow, I am thinking a thought that is completely different than what my inner knowing knows, than what my true self knows. What does this mean? That means that at that particular moment, my thought went to limitations and limiting beliefs. And this probably comes from past experiences or past hurts or whatever else it is the case for you. So now with that said, emotions are also related to energy, right? Emotions, I heard this quote somewhere before, I can't remember exactly where. Emotions are just energies in motion, which means what? For us to be able to manage our emotions well, if we learn to manage our energies well, then we will be able to manage our emotions well, which means what? Which means we are empowered when it comes to creating exactly what it is that we want to create in that particular area. So with that said, emotional energies are very related to the chest and heart area. So what I have experienced in my life is that for every single hurt that I have had, for every single time that I have received something painful in my life, or every single time that I have been disappointed by some event or by somebody, every single time my go-to reaction is to prevent myself from getting hurt again. For years and years and years, I did this. My first reaction has always been, in the past, to really build these walls, without knowing it, these walls around my heart, so that I could protect me, so that I could protect myself. So now, growing up and even well into my 20s and 30s, I wasn't aware of this. Again, when I started my teacher's trainings, then everything really started making sense, right? I wasn't aware that I was building these energetic walls around my heart. And when I started studying about energy, it completely started making sense. And when I started studying about energy and really doing trainings, that helped me break. Literally, it wasn't until I started breaking the walls, energetic walls around my chest area, that I could see again. So what I didn't know back then is that as I was building the walls around my heart, building the wall so that I could protect myself, what I was really doing was creating a wall between myself and myself, which means I was really cutting myself away from my power, which also means that I actually didn't know how to manage my emotions well. What does that mean? That means that I actually really didn't know how to apply the power of emotions around creation and around intentional manifestation. The good news is that now I have the tools to manage my emotional energies, my emotional bodies, so that I can align them towards my goals and towards my vision when I pick one. And guess what? I'm sharing those exercises with you below this video. And be sure to come back for the next video, because in the next video, I'm going to share with you the third element that has to align for you to create powerfully, for you to utilize the law of attraction powerfully to your advantage. Hint, hint, it has something to do with your third eye and your third eye energy. See you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post videos just like this one. Bye.